Good morning, students. Now, today I am going to discuss the assignments which I have given to you, the solution of those assignments, right? Especially from chapter 1 and chapter 2. Basically, from chapter 1 and chapter 2, because we have already completed it. Our chapter number 3, that is kinematics, is going on, that is motion in a straight line, that is going on. So before I proceed in that, today I am trying to discuss some important questions and maybe some difficult questions for you. Students, I have told you to solve these questions and you ask this question from me. But you have, very few of you have responded to it. Right? On the basis of their response, that they have given these questions are difficult, and from my own point of view, I am discussing some questions today, because until and unless you ask me, I cannot solve, I cannot give you the solution. So definitely those who have asked me the question, on their response, on the basis of their response, I am discussing. First is, here we want to discuss the question number 3 of assignment 1. Question 3 of assignment 1. The expression is y is equal to a cos omega t plus b into t minus c root t. And here it is in the question we said y is the displacement, t is the time, and omega is the angular velocity. Alright, omega is the angular velocity. Look, dimension, I can write dimension of omega should be t inverse 1, t to the power minus 1, all of you know it. Okay, this formula is dimensionally correct, we have to consider, because this formula has been given to be an authentic formula, that's why dimensionally this must be correct. That is, dimension of left hand side is L. Okay, dimension of LHS is L. Then I hope you remember, according to the homogeneity principle, every expression should have the dimension of L. Could you understand? That means here, if this has the dimension of L, I tell you, this should have the dimension of L, this should be L, and this should also be L. Alright? Then how it is possible? How it is possible? Definitely, cos omega t is always dimensionless, because you know cos omega t is dimensionless because it is an angle. Moreover, here see, this omega t will be dimensionless. Omega is t to the power minus 1 and small t is capital T is the dimension of it. That's why. So dimensionless. So dimension of A is what? L. Understood? Okay. Dimension of B into T should be L. Must be L. Then B into, I can write dimension of T as capital T should be L. So dimension of B should be LT minus 1. I hope no problem in understanding this. Then now I consider this C, I write here dimension of C root T, C root T should be L. So C into t to the power half should be L. So dimension of C should be LT minus half. Agreed? So I have got dimension of A, got dimension of B and C. Now C by A into B. What is C? LT minus half by A. What is A? A is L. And what is B? B is LT minus 1. And you all know that this L and L will be cancelled, but we won't put slash. What we do, and this L will be remaining in the denominator. It will be like this, and this will be t to the power minus half plus 1. That means L to the power minus 1, t to the power only half. This is the dimension. Look, L to the power minus 1, t to the power half. This is the solution for this question. Look, you have to be very careful in this. Alright, this is the solution of our question number 3. Right. After that, I hope you may face some difficulty, although this type of the question we have done, but you may feel some difficulty in question number 7 also. So let us discuss question number 7. Look, find the value of 100 joule of energy on a system whose fundamental units are 100 gram, 10 centimeter and half a minute, means 30 seconds. I will do it in this way. You know, energy has the dimension ml square t minus 2, because dimension of energy is same as the dimension of the work done. That's why. So n1 m1 to the power a, l1 to the power b, t1 to the power c is equal to, it should be like this, that should be equal to m2 here, m2 to the power a, l2 to the power b, t2 to the power c. Okay, then I consider n1 is equal to n2 as usual. Here m2 by m1 to the power a, L2 to the power by L1 to the power B, and T2 by T1 to the power C. Can we write it like this? N2 into M2 by M1 to the power A, L2 by L1 to the power B, and T2 by T1 to the power C. Okay, fine. Then what we shall get? From there we shall get here, this is equal to, what is N2? Look, unknown one will be taking in the left hand side, N1. That means the unit which is given, you have to find out the value of 100 joule. That means SI unit is given. Joule is the SI unit. 100 joule. That means you look here, this is the, if I consider this as the SI and this is unknown, alright, then we shall take it like this, 100 joule divided by, now M2 is 1 kg by 100 gram, okay, to the power 1. From here A is equal to 1, then L2 is 1 meter by how much? 10 centimeter. Then its power is 2, and here T2 is 1 second by 30 second, because half a minute, that is minus 2. I hope you understand. Here A, B and C has been taken as, here I write here as A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to minus 2. You can refer to the conversion of the units and all. So this is, then how much you are getting? You are getting here N1 is equal to 100 into, this is 1000 by this, that means 10 to the power 1. Here we can write obviously 10 to the power 2, and here we can write 1 by 30 to the power minus 2. I hope you will get the answer. This is 100 into 10 into 100. 10 to the power 5. Okay, these two will become 10 to the power 5 into 1 by 30 to the power minus 2 means it will be 900. Right, that means 9 into 10 to the power 7. That will be the answer. 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 7. Obviously, it is the this much new unit. Look, it is based on the conversion. We have converted from one system to another system. Is it all right? Okay. Sorry students, I am just writing. I think last line is not visible. You can, last two lines I am writing here. N1 is equal to 100 into 10 to the power 1 into 10 ka square into 1 by 30 to the power minus 2, which comes out to be, you can solve, you will get 10 to the power 5 into 900, that is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 7. This much new unit. Here, this portion I have taken it here. Look at this.